Hello people of the world, it's me Mr. Mark UK1. Welcome to another vlog. Well, actually today off to Headcorn, what's like military odysseys, not Odyssey, but just all the time. Combined Ops. We're off to Combined Ops today, and of course, in true style, I am time lapsing. The GoPro is there, as you can see, time lapsing. We're heading towards the Dartford.
Go left on the roundabout.
Oh, starting up's going into one. Bit of traffic coming up, so I will update you when we're there. Unfortunately, we've not even got to the Dartford yet. We're about to get to Dartford, and there's an hour delay because there's a two-car park crash. So I'm really hoping everyone in the crash are okay. Just it's one of them things. But I must say, in all the years we've gone across that bridge, this is the first time we've actually hit delays on the bridge. So it's one of them things, driving on the roads. But I'll keep you posted. So we have arrived at Headcorn. We're here. We're just finding up camp, and I'll get back to you when we're all set up. So we're all set up. We're all set up, as you can see here. Lovely caravan awning. There's Harrison there. Just going to talk to Harrison. We haven't seen Harrison for a while actually. It's been a few years actually. Oh, let's focus it. Say hello, Harrison.
Hello.
What's your name?
Hey.
Keith.
Yeah.
Hello, Keith.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Okay.
Okay. So all set up. There's the caravan now. We've got some food cooking. We've got the beers going. We've got. Oh, I'm drunk already. We've got Old Speckled Hen on the horizon. Ain't we actually? Harrison's on the whiskey because he's lightweight.
That's heavy.
That's heavy. So Harrison's on the whiskey because he's a lot heavyweight. I don't like whiskey. Where's Mark? There's Mark here. Remember Mark? Say hello, Mark. He's playing with the radio. Say hello.
Hello.
Hold it down.
Hold it down.
Well, we're going to sort out the radio and then I'll be back. So it's late on in the evening. As you can see, it is getting dark. We've got fairy lights over there somewhere. We've got a Renault Master over there. More on that next year, as I said before. And I am videoing I'm with Harrison here. What you what about? You saw me do what?
On the internet.
You saw me on the internet doing what? With Jed. Those remember Jed is Jed ECW CC3. Jed, you got a shout out if you're still watching me. You probably it's actually probably not watching my videos, but the scenario for the rest of the evening is possibly. I don't think he is. Is we're going to go to the beer tent, which is over there somewhere, and I think we're going to meet up with some friends we haven't seen in a while. But I need to pee, so that's what's happening. So good morning, it is Saturday morning. As you can see, the weather is not very nice. My camera's getting wet as it was told. It's gone 11. We've had a coffee, might have another one in a minute. Yeah, it's not very nice. So I'm going to go back in there and what? Harrison's, what do you want, Harrison? Nothing. Harrison don't want to be on camera just yet. He's just woken up, he's got bed hair and he's got his hat on. Yeah, it's got a hat. See in a bit. So breakfast is going on. We've got today bacon. Some lovely bacon going on. Mark the chef. Yeah. So whether you can hear me or not, I don't know. It's 10 to 4 and we're just about to go for a walk. It's like raining, it's dark and the Jenny's on.
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are I'm being free. These days are share them with me. Goodbye, gray sky, hello blue. There's nothing can hold me when I hold you. You feel so right, it can't be wrong. Rockin' and rollin' all week long. Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. Saturday, what a day. Groovin' all week with you. These days are ours. Share them with me. These days are ours.
We're back for our walk now and we've got an old not Guinness, old John Smith there and the old Tankeroni. Unfortunately we've got no port this weekend, so next time we'll have the port. Definitely. I think I might have a white bottle for the next show. So we have eaten food. We had chicken burgers with hash potato waffle things, and I've got some beer. We've had food and beer and whiskey, says Harrison. It's gone 8 o'clock. Here's Mark just doing that, sorting out the toilet thing, the toilet cassette thing here. All fun times when you got a caravan. It's better than a tent, really. But then again, when you're in a tent, we're in the portaloos, which are actually quite clean, to be fair. So being back here, it's like we've never been away. So in a minute we'll have to jump down the beer tent, hopefully. So I might bring you along and see what happens. So see you there. So we're starting the day off with another cup of tea. Well, I've had a coffee already and now got a tea. It's coming out here for a bit and it's raining again. Half the people have gone away, as you can see over there. It's a bit chilly, so I might go back and out the rain and stuff like that. Come on autofocus. So yeah, I think we might go for a walk later and see what's going on. You should see the mud on this wheelchair. Hold on. It is very muddy where we've been, so I'll show you. Hold on. Look how thick that mud is. It is absolutely crazy. It's like a carpet. So we're actually going to go for a little walk now, see what's about. Have a look at this wheelchair. It's all this mud on the wheelchair. It's like thick. My boots were covered in mud, but I've cleaned them now. But, it's absolutely crazy, really, isn't it, Ange? In true style and British weather, the sun has come out now. It was raining and now it's sunny.
Yeah, never well.
Yeah, it's just the weather can't make its mind up today. It's absolutely mental. But it's all fun here again. Some people over there. Yet again, Harrison's trying to kick me and the camera out of my hands, and I'm on the beer again. Once we're on John Smith now, so we've been here for a while. We've had food and it's pretty much the end of the show now. The sunset is really nice. I'll show you actually. Harrison's pack me. Look at this sunset. Look how nice that is. You can't actually see it on camera, but it's such a nice. But earlier, this field was full of people. And now, hardly anyone there. There's an Austin jump over there. There's our Jenny. So I think we're going down the beer tent now. So I'm not going to take you with me, just because I'd rather not. But I might catch them on my phone, so depending on what's going on. So I will see you a bit later, and yeah, if not, I'll see you in the morning. So that is it. It is Monday morning or afternoon. we're going to start packing down soon and leave. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's been nice to be back at the military shows at Headcon, and I'll see you in the next video where it will be at Military Odyssey. That's a good one. I can't wait for that one. So see you next one. Bye for now. So I thought I ended the video, but I haven't. In true style, well, let's take a look at this. Maybe. We're kind of stuck in the mud, the van's stuck. So, they might even pull that for us as well. They've got a 4x4, or some other sort of military vehicle. So we've got 2 people coming to help us out, but we're nearly there. And here comes recovery.
Enjoy that.
Right, so we have tractor pulling van. Wait for the bumper to fall off. Yay! Oh no. Now we've got to get the caravan out. Yeah. Wow. The van got stuck again. The caravan's being towed by a tractor. It's all going crazy here at Combine Docks. Definitely Harrison needs a 4x4. In the comments section put Harrison get 4x4. Let's see if we get stuck again. Yay!